Hi, I'm Vera, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today we'll talk about election car stickers. What exactly is the rule? Welcome back. Again, my name is Vera. I'm a law school dean, and today we'll talk about what is the rule or law regards to election stickers in cars. Now, this rule was determined back in 1992 when a then senatorial candidate sought to declare a Comelec rule unconstitutional. At least the law is, or that Comelec rule was illegal. Now, during that time, there was a Comelec rule or resolution stating that election paraphernalia, let's say election posters, decals, or stickers, have to be a certain size and they cannot be in mobile locations. So, meaning the rule was implemented against election posters, stickers, decals on moving vehicles. Now, that senatorial candidate sought to say that put election stickers or election paraphernalia on property, private property, albeit moving, was violating this free speech rule of the Constitution. Now, that case went up to the Supreme Court, and here's what they said. Basically and ultimately, the Supreme Court said that the rule on car election paraphernalia on cars is violating free speech. Now, they gave two aspects or two reasons to support that nullification of the Comelec rule. First, there must be a balance between the constitutional right of free speech and also the constitutional power of the Comelec to regulate free, honest, and orderly elections. Now, to state the free, honest, and orderly elections, based on fairness, election paraphernalia can't be on moving vehicles. They only want election posters on designated areas, not in moving vehicles or cars or even motorcycles. Now, the Supreme Court had to cite the balance. Constitutional free speech versus election regulation. The Supreme Court decided on free speech. First, when it comes to constitutional freedoms and there is police power trying to regulate it, it must be construed and must be ruled in favor of the freedom rather than the restriction. Another aspect of the rule was it violated the rule on property. Technically, by limiting or disallowing a private person to put his free speech, whether he's supporting or endorsing a candidate, on his car, that means that the government, through the Comelec, was regulating on how you can exercise your aspect of ownership over that moving vehicle. So, in that sense, with regards to free speech and the limiting of property, the Supreme Court held that election paraphernalia is free when it comes to moving vehicles because that's one's personal property. At the same time, a person's free speech in whether he likes or dislikes a candidate. Now, that rule has been over 20 years ago, I think 30 years ago. So now, every election season, you see cars, moving vehicles with a lot of election posters and paraphernalia. You may not like it, but you have to respect that person's free speech. I hope you learned something in this video. If you can, I will truly appreciate it. Please like, share, and if you have not yet, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me grow and encourages me to make more videos like this. Stay cool, everybody, and vote wisely. Hi, please do me a favor and smash that like button. It'll help me a lot and it will trigger the YouTube algorithm. Now, if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you don't, my dog will eat this exam booklet and that student has to repeat his final exam again.